guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and I hope that you guys are safe. Okay, so today's video is gonna be a shopping haul video and I'm telling you that you all gonna love it because all the pieces that I have here are super trendy. Like this top. This top is like so gorgeous. It's in satin. It's my favorite fabric. Like I'm obsessed with satin these days. And plus the main part is it's super trending yet so classic. Okay, so the brand's name is Shop Hey Missy. I don't know if you've heard of this brand, but they make some amazing clothes and you have to check this haul out. Now without further ado, let's go to the video. I'm going to be trying the outfits and the video will be like played on this side, so मैं थोड़ा सा shift हो जाती हूँ so that you know it's easily visible. So they have like a lot of cute satin tops, co-ords and some formal wear as well, that too very trendy formal wear. So first let me show you some satin tops that I have with me. So first is this one. So this one is totally inspired by 2000s fashion, you know, जो भी चल रहा है आजकल. So this is in pure satin and it's in like peach color. So you wear it, you can see how it looks. So you have to wear it like this, like, and then it's obviously backless and then you just tie it behind your back and it looks, I look stupid by the way right now, but this top looks super gorgeous. You can see how it is looking on me. I loved wearing this top. And if you think that you cannot carry backless or something like that, fact that you can use it, either you can pair it with a mesh top underneath it. It's gonna look super amazing. Plus what else you can do is you can totally, you know, wear it over a white shirt and it's gonna look super fashionable. Now all the prices will pop up on the screen so that it's easier for you guys, and all the links will be in the description box below. Or the good news is मेरे पास एक special code भी है. It's on the screen right now. It's Mahi XSHM, so make sure that you check it out. The thing that I'm gonna show you is again a satin top. You guys loved it in the last video. I paired this top, मैंने जो off duty के लिए video किया था उसमें मैंने ये पहना था. So this is like a very cute crop top like this. It has this really huge balloon sleeves and they look stunning by the way. You can see like how it looks on me. I think this top is a must have if you have a thing for, you know, statement sleeves. Plus if you love wearing satin, so this is such a trendy piece. जो आजकल वो tie detailing चल रहा है, that you tie and बहुत लंबा सा ribbon नीचे रह जाता है. So it has everything. I think this one is available in black color also, which is amazing, but I love white, so this one is like really special. I totally love it. Next top that I have like in satin is the one that I'm wearing. I totally love its sleeves, like it's balloon as you can see. It has some pearl button detailing going on, which I think is super classy, and the neckline I think is super gorgeous. Again, this one is backless, you can see it here. And if you're wondering, you know, what bras or what lingerie to pair underneath such kind of tops, I made a reel on my Instagram, so you can definitely go and check it there. I'm gonna like, you know, insert the link, वो भी आप check कर सकते हो, or I will post it tomorrow as YouTube shorts if you are interested in watching it, क्योंकि I know काफी लोग Instagram पे हैं नहीं. Okay, next thing that I'm gonna show you is co-ords. Now you guys know co-ords are so versatile because obviously उसका टॉप आप कितने चीज़ों के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो एंड आप उसकी स्कर्ट भी कितनी चीज़ों के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. सो द फर्स्ट वन दैट आई हैव इज दिस वन. It's very simple but yet very classic. It's in a white color. तो ये जो fabric है, this is somewhat feels like, you know, वो denim वाला जो fabric होता है, like I don't know what you call it exactly, but the material is like really good quality. So this is the top and it comes with a zipper, and yes, I'm in the size small for everything that I've got here. And it comes with a skirt. It's a midi length skirt and this is how the skirt looks like. Very simple. I really like it. काफी अलग है उन कपड़ों से जो मेरे पास है already. Like I have skirts in satin and all of that, but this one I don't know, मुझे पहले लगा था शायद मुझ पे सूट नहीं करेगी ये, but I really like it. And again it comes with a zip detailing on its side, and इसकी back पे you get a slit so that you know obviously it's easier to walk for you. And I have the same co-ord set in like khaki color because I'm obsessed with this color right now. You guys know क्योंकि मैंने last video जो सरोजनी में किया था उसमें मैं इस color की pants लाई हूँ. Okay, now again it has a top, a sleeveless top, and to go with it it has a skirt. Now when you obviously buy from Hemisi and you'll feel the fabric, you will know that how good quality it is. The amount that you're paying for all the products are so worth it because the quality of the fabric is like really nice. Again this has a slit on the back like the white one, so yeah, really excited to wear it. I just thought if I style it with a scarf and a very colorful bag, so I can make it look like more like me. So really excited for that. Okay, so for the last I have saved some very smart formal wear. Now this is a pantsuit basically. This one is like, I'll show you closely. It's got some checks print going on the pants. Now again the quality is so good, you can actually feel it. Obviously this is the brand's logo. Love it so much. And सबसे ज़्यादा, not as a pantsuit, I'm so excited to wear these pants with so many other things. Let me know if I should make a styling video for such kind of formal pants. So these are like very baggy looking. Again it comes with a matching coat. So the coat has this drawstring detailing, so you can actually tighten it how much you want it. So basically you are supposed to wear it as a wraparound coat. You can see it here in the video how it looks. I think it's such a smart piece. You can definitely wear it with a formal white shirt to your corporate jobs अगर खुल गए हैं आपके ऑफिस. आई फील दोबारा लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा and I'm so bummed about it because I really don't want कि lockdown हो because I have some travel plans. Okay, so we're not gonna crib about that. Okay, so this is the blazer. It has some, again as I said, drawstring है इसमें, तो वो मैंने pull किया हुआ है, so that's why it's giving me a peplum kind of shape. You can see how the whole set looks on me. I think it looks amazing. I personally will pair it with a bralette of some sort and keep the blazer open because that is my style. Okay, next thing, which is so cool and like so different, like I don't own anything like this. So it is a jumpsuit, okay, and it's also in like gray, but it doesn't have any check print going on. So it has a zipper like till your navel, I think, and it looks so smart. It's a bit loose to me, but you can see it here how I am wearing it. I have paired it with a corset belt and I am freaking happy about it. When I wore it with this corset belt, it made me feel so powerful, like very confident and very bad bitch vibes it gave me, and I totally love those vibes. So yeah, this was it about the video. Let me know which one was your favorite product. I would really ask you guys to check out their Instagram, plus check out their collection. If you can't shop, then just support the Instagram page, maybe follow them and share their posts, because this is a brand owned by a woman and I am proud to be collaborating with them. So make sure that you support them in any way you can, and plus it's a local brand, it's an Indian brand, so we can do that, I guess. So yeah, this was it from my side. Make sure if you shop, you use my coupon code for a special discount. I especially asked for a discount for you guys, so shopping karna ho to please code zarur use kar lena. And yes, like this video, comment down below if you have any other questions, if you want me to answer anything related to the website or the quality of the product and the about the quality of the product, let me tell you, ये मैंने machine wash किया है I think 4-5 बार अब तक, and it's so good. Like I have other satin tops, but कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, वो इतना घटिया क्वालिटी की चीज़ें होती है कि उसमें ना भुर आने लगते हैं जब तुम मशीन में वॉश करते हो अलग अलग कपड़ों के साथ. बट दिस has been so good, like this has been so good to me, so that's why I'm like emphasizing again and again कि एक बार जाके देख लो collection. I'm sure that you're gonna love it. Now I'm gonna take a leave. Please subscribe कर देना. Bye.